Dates are deeply connected to the culture and traditions of Islam. But why do you think there are so many dates around me? I'm not in a market. I am in the 9th edition of Dhaid Dates Festival. This festival that became a celebration for all Emirati farmers, celebrating the importance of dates and palms in the culture of United Arab Emirates. This place is not just to showcase dates. This festival is a huge support to all local farmers by sharing their experience and by competitions that enhance the quality of dates and farming in UAE. Dhaid Dates Festival became an annual attraction from people from many countries as well as family, friends. This place has many amazing activities and events that happen here in Dhaid.